So I'm going to show you how to remove the drain plug. Keep in mind that there are two different holes here that look very similar. So this one here is the drain plug. This one over here that has the bolt is for the pigtail of the machine. Okay, you want to make sure that you're working on the drain plug. It's a slotted screwdriver that you're going to need. So what we're going to do is we're going to back out this screw. And I'll grab it with a pair of pliers on the head, and I'll put a screwdriver behind it and pull out your drain plug. At this point what you want to do is lay the machine, put this towards the bottom, and lay the machine on its back. And there you can let the machine drain at that point. Once it is empty, then you can simply lift the machine back up, and we will spin this back around to where your drain plug is. I'll grab it with my pliers like so and push this in. If you notice, it has a ridge there, so you want to push it past that ridge, and sometimes it can be a little difficult. There we go. And then you'll tighten this up. As you tighten this up, it's going to spread that rubber grommet inside so it securely fastens to it. That's it.